Well, we're having a great morning out here. What a setup they've done out here for us this morning. And whether it's slam dunks or shooting some hoops, our next guests know a thing or two about the game of, what are we playing? Basketball.
Yes, ahead of the league finals this weekend, we are chatting to the finalists Hannah Thornton, Lynn Jones, Elijah Tillman and Kaiwan Yang. Good morning to you.
Good morning,
all. Girls, let's start with you. Big game this weekend.
Good morning to you. Yeah, good morning, Hannah and Lynn. So, Hannah, how did you start in basketball?
How did I start? I started in primary school. My mum's friend set up basketball and I was made to do it. My mum said, Hannah, you have to go show numbers there. And I said, okay. So about 7 or 8, I think I started.
When you were 7 or 8?
Yeah.
Was that the same for you?
Yeah, where I grew up, there was a court built in the estate. And the minute I came in, we went out in the morning and stayed there all day.
Because I know when the basketball arena was built in Tally years ago, there was a massive hype about it, and then it sort of died down. But you were saying to me during COVID, it really found its feet again because of playing outdoors.
Yeah, you can play it outdoors, especially the 3v3 tournament now is becoming more popular, and that's also played outdoors. But it has had a big resurgence. It's grown a lot with the younger people, especially in secondary schools. So it's great, and we can see that kind of coming through with the younger people now. So hoping that they just stay at it and keep playing.
And Lynn, you're a big name in this game. I mean, big name in this game. You're a big name. So look, you play for the Utility Trust St. Paul's. You're in Leicester. So what's the competition like between you girls?
We've had a few good battles already this year. We've won one, they've won one, and they caught us in the cup by a point a couple of months ago.
Oh, yeah, you lost by a point. We say nothing about that now.
We won't forget that. But yeah, it should be a good battle. Look, there's not a whole pile between the team, and I think it's all down to the day really now at this stage.
This is going to be a big sellout now on Sunday.
Yeah, we reckon it's going to be a full house. It deserves that, I think, and it should be a good show for everyone involved. And
you love the idea that younger people and schools are getting involved in this.
Yeah, it's great. We have a big support coming from Killarney, our young people, they're all looking forward to it, kids in our own schools in town. It's a big deal for the town of Killarney, a big history there, so we're going to have a big support, especially from the young people on Sunday.
And what about Leicester? Yeah,
I mean, Orange Army goes everywhere with us. We have the best supporters, I think, in the country, so we're expecting them to come out full force. But it's sold out, but it's on TG Cahir. Yeah. Both games are on TG Cahir.
So. Okay, watch it.
Speaking of big names, I'm with a big man. Elijah here is alongside Kaiwan from the Orange Army as well. Kaiwan, you won the battle between the two teams earlier this year in the Cup, but it's the National League final this weekend. Are you feeling confident?
Yes, we do feel confident.
Even taking on a big man like this?
Well, we have big mans on our team as well, yes.
Elijah, talk to us about Leicester and the competition that you two have against each other.
Just this season already, we've had a few battles, so, obviously playing in the Cup finals, we have that, but then we also played them 2 other times in the regular season, so it's going to be a good game. Obviously, we have our own little history together.
You obviously played college basketball back in America. You're living over here in Dublin now as well. How have you found the growth of basketball here in Ireland?
I think it's just grown tremendously. Just, living in Cork, especially us, you just see the involvement with children and everything. So I feel like the way basketball is going in a good direction here for sure.
And you go into schools and you help coach as well.
I feel like that's the best thing, is just helping the kids grow and get them more involved. And like I said, give them something to look up to and aspire to. So they could be in their own cup final and their own league final themselves.
It's amazing. And Kaiwan, from your point of view, how are you finding the game at the minute? You're obviously in the star team, Leicester. They seem to be going from strength to strength.
Yes, it's been great. The playing in Leicester is very competitive, but I think with basketball, with the growing in the community, it's very supportive.
And did you just get into it just in school?
In secondary school, yes. And then through youth clubs, they really helped me to bond with the community. Yeah. And then we set up our own academy as well in City Centre, Northeast City Centre.
I mean, I play rugby and it's a game of all shapes and sizes. How can a guy like your size and my size take on a guy like this?
We all have different roles and everybody can be successful in this sport. I guess it's a team sport, it's not individual. Yeah.
And is it all down to skills, really?
Yeah, no, listen, like I said, when you're able to go to schools and, even with us, our Irish players are the reason why we're even this far. So when you're able to help the youth and let them understand that they could be just like our players and be the main role in helping us, succeed, I think is a good thing for us.
And talk to us about the big crowd this weekend.
Oh man, listen,
Sold out.
Demons Nation know that it's Demons are a crazy crowd and a bunch. So between them and Colester, it's definitely going to be a great game. For
Demons,
sure.
Colester. Okay, right. It's time to you start coaching here again. Myself and
Yeah.
we
have a very special guest.
What's his name? Ricky Moon.
Huh? Jackie Moon.
Jackie Moon.
Jackie Moon.
Jackie
is here
Moon.
with us.
Our very own
Look at
Derek
you.
is here.
Right. You
Okay.
Can hold that,
So
Elijah. You can
this
talk
is
us
a
through
little
what we need to do.
competition
Thank you,
between
Hannah.
Derek and Tommy now.
Tommy.
So you're going to do 3 hoops each.
Oh, 3 hoops.
3 hoops. See who gets it. Tommy, you going to go first?
No,
Derek's going to go first.
Here we go.
Okay,
Right.
how far do you have to stand back from it?
Like we're behind that line. So
Behind, behind this
that
line, Derek.
Yep.
There we
There
go.
we go.
Here we go.
Bro.
Oh,
All right,
Okay,
close,
right.
close.
Okay, here
Okay,
we go.
Tommy. Oh, okay. Derek's back
There you
up.
go.
Nil-nil.
Come on,
There
Derek.
you go.
No, so
I need someone to make
close.
one.
Come on, Tommy.
Tommy. Oh no.
Ah, that was brutal.
Tommy, go home.
That was brutal. Okay, final shot.
go, one more.
Derek. Yay!
All right, you got to finish on the mate. Finish on the mate.
Pressure's on, Tommy.
Okay.
Come on,
You got to do it on the mate.
pressure.
On the mate.
Oh, so Derek is out. Nearly killed himself there. Derek's our winner this morning. Derek's our winner.
I'm raging.
So best of luck to you all this coming Sunday. It's going to be a great
Have a
day
good
up
one.
in the basketball arena in Tala. The best luck to you. Look at the cups over here. Look at them. They're looking fabulous. Who's going to be lifting those trophies? Well, we'll find out on Sunday. Thank you all
Thank you so much for coming.
joining
And
us.
fair play for setting
And
this.
setting all this up. It's
I'm
amazing.
going to play this all day.
Tommy's
This is
literally
brilliant
going to
fun.
be out here for the rest of it.
Yes, Kywin.
Yeah, come on. We'll let them play. We're going to take a quick break. Back in a few minutes.